Here is a look at the Your Magic stamp and dies. This single 3 by 4 inch stamp set is perfect to stamp and color and great for any occasion. Pair it with our Wizard stamp series to create a great wizard themed project. Your Magic was illustrated by Love Dani Studios for Trinity Stamps. A coordinating die set is available and sold separately. This 8-piece die set includes 1 die to cut out the sentiment and 7 different star dies. Your Magic die set is made of high-quality 100% carbon steel. There are many different looks you can achieve with this particular stamp and die set. Here are some examples from our design team. Many different occasions and lots of color combinations can help to achieve a unique look, and it's fun just to color. Thank you for checking out the Your Magic stamp and die set, available in the Autumn Rainbow release.